let's delve into how you can use the Virtual Staff Time Tracking tool.
One important note: the Virtual Staff Worklog app is your choice, but it's not mandatory for payment.
Your staff's compensation isn't tied to the app's usage. Now, let's guide you through locating your staff's work log within your dashboard. Begin by navigating to the Manage Staff section on the left side of your employer dashboard.
From there, click on My Staff, Hired, to gain access to your staff's profiles. Once you're in, spot the Time Log button, your gateway to understanding their work patterns. It's as easy as selecting the specific staff member you're interested in and picking a date to review their time log. Your staff member's time log data will be right before your eyes. But there's more. Click on View More for a detailed breakdown, complete with screenshots. It's your chance to truly understand their progress, tasks, and milestones.
A clear view into their accomplishments.
So, whether you're keeping an eye on productivity or simply staying informed, the Virtual Staff Worklog app has you covered.
It's about flexibility and empowerment in your hands.